Good day, viewers. Walter here. We had a pretty good dinner today. We had some french fries and fried chicken, and we had some green beans, fresh from Walter's garden. And I'm still a little bit hungry. Now, you know what we're going to do? We're going to get us a helping of them green beans. These are seasoned with salt and some bacon grease, and they're downright tasty. Tasty enough that I'll come back for some seconds. They're still warm. And I'm gonna delicious. Just gonna sit and watch TV and eat some leftover beans. Don't you wish you had some of Walter's green beans? Might get in here later and have a piece of that leftover fried chicken. Just a little short eating vlog today. Thanks for tuning in.